352 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And it's still going on. Yeah, in 2 weeks, maybe on 1.5 weeks, it will be 1 year. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, September the 23rd, 2024. We have here only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. There are no extra puzzles in this in today's newspaper. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, only 3 for today. Well, sometimes the publisher have no space in the newspaper for extra puzzles, and today there are no extra puzzles. All right, only 3 puzzles for today. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9316. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more, should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me start with a 4. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for 4, it should be there. 4, okay. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, okay, cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 8. We have 9 and 8 in this row, so no 9 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row, 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then let me see, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. And so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. How about the 5 and the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then let me see. I need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 is supposed to be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Then 1 and 5. Then let me see. How about 2 numbers left in this column? 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So this box can be 6 in the more. That box should be a 6, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in the third column, the 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. 6, 9. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. Then, let me see. 1 and 5. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here 6. So the 6 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5. Number 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 10 minutes. Well, I'm definitely faster than 15 minutes, but I'm also faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I think it's a 0 stars. 14, 30 minutes. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Let me give this a 0 stars. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.